Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to the next episode where we continue learning how to read together. So we'll just continue from where we left off. But just quickly as review, Asnaf, can you do these three for me? Spell them out.
Wa, fatha.
No, not wa. The letter is called wow.
Oops, I messed up. I'll sing it. Wow, fatha wa. Wow, kasra wi. Wow, dhamma wu. Wa, wi, wu.
Very good. Okay, sister.
Ba fatha ba. Ba kasra bi. Ba dhamma bu. Ba bi bu.
Very good. All right, Asnaf, we'll continue to the next lesson where we left off. Go ahead.
Dad fathatain.
Are you sure?
Oh wait, oops. Sad fathatain. Son.
Yeah. Son. Yeah. Son. Yeah.
Sad kasratain. Swing.
Yeah. Sin.
Sad dhammatain. Sun. Sun, sin, sun.
Son. Make sure you make it a bit heavy, okay? Full mouth. Make your mouth full. Son, sun. Swin. Say sin. Say sin, like sin. This one, say sin.
Sin.
Yeah, and then the same thing. Swin. Yeah, sin. Yeah, sin is a bit lighter. Okay, sin, and then this one is heavier. Swin. Okay.
Sin.
Yeah, and then this one, saw. Sun. Very good. Sister, can you say all three?
Son.
Make it heavy. Aw sound, okay? Full mouth. Aw. Son.
Son. Sin.
Yeah. Sin. Say it one more time.
Sin.
So don't say sign or like don't go into your throat. Just try to keep it flat. Sin. Yeah, and then the last one, sun. There you go. Okay, sister, go ahead, continue.
Ta fathatain. Ten. Ta kasratain.
Tin.
Ta dhammatain. Tun.
Now go ahead. All three together.
Tan, teen, tun.
Okay, so don't make it long. Okay, that's the biggest mistake that most people make in this lesson. Hello. Is they make it long. Don't stretch it out. Don't say tan, teen, tun. Okay, just ten, teen, tun. 10, teen, tun.
10, teen, tun.
Yeah, 10, teen.
10, teen.
Yeah, teen, tun. Okay. Okay, that's not.
All right. Dal fathatain dan. Dal kasratain din.
Din. It was a bit too long for me. Yeah, din, like D-I-N maybe.
Okay. Din. Dal dhammatain dun. Dan, din, dun.
Okay, sister.
Law.
I just noticed your one hand is like tan and the other one is not. What's going on?
Camera shy now.
Okay. All right. Same thing. Underneath here, same thing, man. From Bosnia, I went rafting for 4 hours in water, man. I came out looking baked.
Yeah, the sun cooks you, man. What can you do?
All right, go ahead.
Da fathatain.
So this is not da. This is ta. Okay, it starts off with like a bit of a heavy T sound. Okay, ta.
Oh.
Say it.
Ta فتحتين طن
Yeah, ton.
طن.
Yeah, you place your tongue behind your top two teeth at the roof of your mouth. You push upwards against the back of your teeth, the roof of your mouth. Okay, ta, ton.
Ta طن طن.
Okay, ton, very good. And it's a full mouth letter, so it has that heaviness, that full aw sound. Ta, ton.
تا تا كسرتين طين
Tin.
طين
Say it one more time.
طين.
Yeah, tin.
تا ضمتين تون
Make it heavier. Ton.
طن
There you go. Okay, all three together. Ton, tin, ton.
طن
No. Ton.
طن
Again, can you make it heavier? Or ta fuller? Okay. Ton.
طن طن
Again.
طن.
Yes, I'm hearing a more of a T. If you can make more of a ta. Okay, so you have to kind of press more against the roof of your mouth. Okay, maybe fill your mouth with some air to help you. Okay, ta, ta, or just press against it more against the roof of your mouth. Okay, ta, ton.
تا طن.
Better, yeah. You don't actually need any air to say ta. You can say it properly by just pressing against the right place. Ton, tin, ton,
طن طين تون
ton.
تون.
There you go. Isnaf, can you say them?
طن طين طن.
Yeah, ton, tin, ton. Okay, yours was much fuller. Okay, with you, sister, practice this one. It needs to be just a bit more. It needs to be a bit more thoughty. If that makes sense. Okay.
Awesome.
Yeah, thought. We need that because the thing is, there's no thought in English. There's no thought. Even if I say it's not really like a T. You know, people say that. People say it's a heavy T. That's not true. A heavy T would be like taw, taw. We don't have. It's not a T sound, and it's not a D sound either. Thaw. It's daw. It's maybe closer to a D than it is to a T. Okay, thaw. But you have to. This one, there's no letter in English for me to really accurately explain it. Okay, Asnaf.
را فتحتين رن
Run.
رن. را كسرتين رن. را ضمتين رن. رن رن رن.
Very good, sister. Can you say this? Run, rin, run.
رن رين رون.
Be careful. Don't say reen. Okay. Rin, run, rin, run.
رين
Very good. Run.
رون.
Yellow. The next two are easy. Sister, go ahead.
نون نون فتحتين نون نون
No, no.
كسرتين
Noon, fathatain.
نون.
Nun is this one, dhammatain. This is fathatain.
نن
There you go. Nan. Excellent. Next one.
نون كسرتين نين
Very good.
نون ضمتين نون
Very good.
نن ميم نون.
Very good. Okay, Asnaf.
لام فتحتين لن. لام كسرتين لين. لان ضمتين لن. لن لين لن.
Okay. Sister, you got the hard one.
Okay, this is
You're gonna have to say it anyway.
Dod.
Say it again.
Dod.
Yeah. Make sure you're taking your tongue, the side of it, and pressing up against the back molars, okay? Bod. Bon.
Dod.
Yeah, this is like the heaviest D sound that you can get, okay? If you can take the letter D and make it really heavy, that would be this letter. Bod. Bon.
ضاد ضاد فتحتين دن
Dun.
دن
There you go. Okay.
ضاد كسرتين دين
Okay.
ضاد كسرة
Mm-mm.
ضاد ضمتين دون دن
No, not done. That's a D. We want take your tongue, press up here. Dun.
دون دون دين دون
Yeah. Dun.
دون
Very
دون
good. Much better. Okay. Asnaf, all three, just say them
ضن ضين ضون
again.
ضن ضين ضون.
So don't say it for the second one. Okay, I've noticed you do this with the heavy letters when they have a kasra, like even with sod. Don't say soin. Try to keep it still in flat. Okay, so bod kasratain din din, not din, or like don't curve it. Just keep it din.
So ضن ضن ضين ضون
Say the first one again. Don.
ضن.
Yeah, one more time. Make it more heavy if you can. Don.
ضن
Very good. The next one.
ضين
Din. Din.
ضين.
Yeah,
And
better.
ضون.
No, you see, don't go in your throat. If you feel any, don't say it like a da'un, because people, what they do, I feel like you're straining your mouth to try to say it, and then you're straining your throat as well. Nothing, dad doesn't come out of your throat. Okay, so don't go, don't try to throw it out like that. Okay. Okay, so just keep it in your mouth. Din. Okay, don. Din. Don.
ضن ضين ضون.
Yeah. Are you taking your tongue? Take your tongue and try to press up here at the back of your mouth. Bo. Bon.
ضن
There you go. Din.
ضين
Huh?
ضين
Again?
ضين.
Yeah. So sorry. Because sometimes I just have to, because I'm hearing you over the computer, and so I have to repeat it a few times, like, and just.
No, it's better. Is that way I have the pronunciation right? This letter I struggle with.
This is a difficult letter. This is a very difficult letter. Bun.
ضن.
Okay. Go ahead, Asnaf. I think you're next.
يا فتحتين ين يا كسرتين ين يا ضمتين يون ين ين يون.
Very good, sister.
Sheen, right?
Yeah.
Sheen فتحتين
Not she. Sheen, like Charlie Sheen with the N at the end. Okay. Sheen, fathatain.
شين فتحتين شن شين كسرتين شين.
Not sheen. That's what's gonna get you. Okay. Shin. Like I hit my shin and it hurts. Okay. Shin.
شين
There you go.
شين شين ضمتين شن شن شين شن.
Okay. Asnaf.
Okay. جيم فتحتين جن جيم كسرتين جين.
Jin. This would be like the word jinn that you love. Okay.
جيم ضمتين جون جن جين جون.
Very good, sister.
قاف.
No, this is the light tone. This is qaf. Okay. Yes. Very good. Kaf.
كاف 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 فتحتين كن
Ken. Very good. Okay. Next one.
كاف كسرتين كين
Kin. Very good. And then
كاف ضمتين كن
kun.
كن
Mhm.
كن كين كن.
Very good. Ken, kin, kun. All right, we'll stop here, guys, at the bottom of the page, and inshallah, tomorrow we will finish the page and the lesson and begin a new lesson. بإذن الله. جزاكم الله خيرا والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.